Hi, welcome back to Mama for Boys. Today we're making buffalo chicken dip pizza. So I have 2 packages, 8 ounce of cream cheese. Trying to make this low carb. We have canned chicken breast, 10 ounces of chicken breast. Let's throw that in there. I have 1 cup of ranch dressing. We're using Aldi brand tonight. I've never done that before.
And we have a kids video going, or little game going.
Okay, and then we need 3/4 a cup. So I'll fill this up 3 times. So we have 1/4 measure. We can find our 3/4 measuring cup.
So we're using 1/4 cup times 3.
And then we need a cup of shredded cheese.
We'll rinse our cup measuring device out. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. So the recipe calls for however much cheese you want. We're going with 1 cup. We're just going to throw this in the oven and at 350 for about 20 minutes, and everything will be softer and be able to mix together. We'll be right back. Okay, now we've taken this out of the oven and mixed it around a bit, and we're putting this mixture on a Mission 0 carb tortilla. Spread this around. Then I have some of the cheddar cheese mixture, the Mexican blend that I had earlier. I'm going to put some of that on it. And then I have some red onions. And I'm going to bake this at 350 for 11 minutes. And we'll be right back.
Hi, welcome back. All right, it's time for our taste test now. This is just absolutely wonderful. It's very cheesy, just looks beautiful, and I'm really anxious to try it. I love this kind of dip. It's hot from the oven, but oh my goodness, that tastes so good. I wish that all regular pizza would taste like this, because I would just buy the whole thing. This is marvelous. I'm going to go ahead and eat the rest of this. But anyway, you can really taste all the ingredients, the chicken and the hot sauce and the onions. Make this just the way that Rachel did, and you will have something that probably your whole family will love. I know, I love it. So anyway, make this for your family. Have a great rest of your night. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time we see each other, God bless.